It's a beautiful day here in Hawaii. A little bit of trade winds going on. It's less than a week before my 57th solar return, and I'm taking a walk here on the west side of Oahu at Ko'olina and feeling very, very nostalgic, reminiscent, sentimental on so many things as I approach my 57th solar return. And I find it to be interesting with everything that's going on in our world right now, especially what's happening in California at this time. The word impermanence comes up a lot. And even as I walk these lands here that are now fully developed, where our coconut trees, which is the tree of life, have become more decorative instead of being used for valuable resources like food. I'm just so much more reminiscent, more holding on to my memories of growing up here in Hawaii. I don't believe these lands were even developed back then. I forget what they were even like because it would be rare that we'd make our way from Aiea to this area of Oahu. But I know it was never like this, where we have resort after resort after resort. So, as developments continue here in our islands, I'm just, to be honest with you, heartbroken and now even more holding on to a childhood, a teenhood that I cherish dearly. And I guess that happens when your solar return happens, and perhaps maybe it's because of the whole midlife action. I'm definitely becoming more sentimental and grateful, always in the gratitude, even more so now as things are changing so rapidly. Things are changing, and I don't know if it's really for the betterment, especially here for our islands. I don't personally feel that. And it always comes back to what can I do so that I don't end up spiraling? Is always coming back to being in this space and time as I walk on this paved land, this developed land, but being in the gratitude that I get to live here in Hawaii and be surrounded by the island's mana energy constantly. So just refocusing and coming back to that center, to that place. I don't know how many of you are out there feeling this way, especially with all the shenanigans that are going on right now in our islands, in our nation, in our world. Again, the reminder to just be and find your way to that place of gratitude and finding all the little things that really mean so much to you, because those little things will is what is going to help to keep, I know for me, centered, grounded, and not going into a deep dark hole. So with that being said, I just wanted to share this bit of sentiment about impermanence. So knowing that things are not permanent in our lives, to think that we'll always have this, even this, right? Like this would be here forever. I thought Lahaina would be with us forever, the way Lahaina was. And now look at the parts of California that we are reminded nothing is permanent. So cherish it, document it. That's my other message for today. Document, document, document your surroundings, your family, your friends, because in the end, when everything is gone, if everything is gone, what we do have left are those tangible memories of videos and photos if your phone or device survives whatever the heck is going on. But no regrets in using up your storage spaces, using up your hard drives, document away so that there's that tangible part that is preserved forever. So to my fellow documenters, for those of you who are content creators or just creators, or those of you who simply pick up your phone and use the device for the best opportunities of capturing life, it is very, very needed. And I'm so grateful for you doing that, for not just yourself, not just for your family, but for the world. So mahalo nui loa, and may you all be blessed and safe during this 2025 year. And thank you so much for being here, being present, and remember to breathe aloha and share and be aloha. Ahui hon for now.